Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to install Java on your Mac and how to set Java home. So let's get started. So first of all, you open your browser and go to official website of Java, Oracle. Download. Yeah. So this is the official website. Click on that. Here scroll down and see, here you can see the options. Select on Mac OS and we're gonna download this DMG installer, but there are two types of DMG installer, right? One is ARM64 and this X64. So if you are using M1, M2, M4 series of processor, then you go for this installer. Or if you are using any Intel processor of Mac, so you can go for this one, 64-bit DMG installer. So I am using M4, so let me download this one. Click on this and it is downloading. So it will take some time to finish the downloading. Let's wait for this. So you can see JDK is downloaded here. Click on this. So right click and show in folder. So yeah, yeah, so double click on this installer. It will open like this, and again double click on this. It will open the window for installer. Okay, so click on continue. So it is asking for the machine, on which machine you want to install, and what is the disk space it needed for the installation. Okay, so it is needed 409 MB, 9.5 MB. Okay, then click on continue. So here it is asking for the install location. For as of now, just skip this part and click on install. So it will ask for your system password. So let me quickly enter this. Okay, then click on install software. So now it is validating and installing. So it is installed. Click on close. Then it is asking to move the JDK to bin. So I'm just clicking on it. Yeah, let me close this. So the next step is to set Java home. For that, just go to your Spotlight and type here terminal. Okay, and here to do that, first we need to check the Java version. So by default, if you type here user/exec/java_home hyphen v, capital V, and click on enter. Okay, sorry, usr, sorry. So this is the Java version installed. Okay, now we are gonna set the Java home. To set Java home on your Mac, you need to export the Java home file to this file. Okay, so if you are new to Mac and this file is not present on your Mac, so you can create it like touch.zshrc, and if you click on enter, it will create the file. Okay, since it is already created for me, it is not going to create it again. Okay, and in inside it, if you want to open that file, so now we have to mention the Java home file inside this zshrc. Okay, so to open that, simply write it on open, use open command and click on enter. So I have already did the configuration. Let me maximize the path. If you can see, I'm gonna paste this two lines on my descriptions. You can check out it. So the first command is export java home equal to dollar user libexec java home hyphen version, and you have to mention the version name of your java, whatever you have downloaded and installed. You can find it from here. Okay, then next command is export path dollar java home bin colon dollar path. You just need to do this and Ctrl S, save it and close it. So now you check like java hyphen version. So after setting the java home, you can get this information using java hyphen version. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and please give some feedbacks whether I can update or improvise myself. Yeah, thanks.